I'm reading of the House bill on healthcare reform is dead in the water in the Senate. Part of it is because the CBO report says 23 million people would lose health insurance. Now, you can argue about that, say it's a blown up number. You don't know what the number is because you could bring down the cost of premiums and have more people buy it on the private market, and your goal is to wean people off of government in the first place. You can have all those debates and arguments you want, but here's the stone cold reality. Once you provide a government benefit or a government subsidy that allows people to flourish in at least one way, in affording something they didn't have in the past, it's very hard to take that away. We don't take Medicare away. Social Security is not taken away. People say, well, I paid into that for all these years. Well, you did, but it had to start. Somebody had to pass Medicare and pass Social Security in the first place. And there was opposition in both cases. There's opposition to every government program. People say it costs too much money, you're encouraging a certain amount of behavior that you don't want, or whatever the case, but once you implement this kind of benefit, and that's what people are doing at town halls, stand up. My husband survived after 5 surgeries, we pay $30 a month for our premium, I don't want to lose that. Well, whatever you have, and that's an extreme case, but you have that. Very tough to take something away once you give that something. We're finding it now with health insurance. The Republicans in the Senate, enough of them, it only takes 3, by the way, to kill it, don't want to engage in something that will take that kind of benefit away from so many people. So to change the thinking on this, they've got to restructure it totally, make sure that people know that if they can't get insurance, they can get covered in a high-risk pool and buy something where they are subsidized to the point where they won't lose any ground. That has to be hit time and time again if you have any chance of repealing Obamacare as we know it. And the fight is still on, but the reality of giving a benefit and then trying to take it away is hitting Mitch McConnell and President Trump in the face. We'll see how it unfolds. Those are my 2 cents. My 2 minutes are brought to you by Capital Consultants and Edge Construction. Mike Tuig and his staff can read your kitchen, your basement, your bathroom, your staircase, make your home feel just like home. We'll talk about this and more tomorrow on the Mitch Henck Show on madison.com.